Hi, my name is Palesa Nkabinde from Palesa Wadi Spice. I am based in Diepkloof Zone 2. I started the business because I saw a need for Benting-friendly spices. As a Benter, I struggled finding spices. I had to take a taxi to go to the big retails. So I saw the need in the location to have Benting-friendly spices, spices that have no sugar, no salt, no wheat, no flour. I sell herbs, spices, seeds and nuts. I also make untoasted muesli and couscous and quinoa. Everyone is into health and wellness, so you should buy my products because they are healthy, they have no sugar. Even if you are diabetic or suffering from any chronic illness, you can use my products. You can get hold of me on Facebook, Palesa Wadi Spice, You Owe Yourself to Be Healthy, on Instagram at Palesa Wadi Spice. My contact details 065 969 0142. Hi, my name is Palesa. I'm a township entrepreneur.